Before installation, prepare the side skirts and the necessary tools. The original side skirts should be removed from the car. The car should be clean and dry. We recommend using jacks. We recommend working with 2 people. Screw the side verticals to the side skirts. Place the side skirts against the car's sills and check their fit. Use tape to mark the outline of the side verticals on the car's body. Thoroughly clean, degrease, and wipe the marked areas. Note, if the car has PPF foil or ceramic coating, a section of the foil or coating should be removed from the installation location. Unscrew the sill light module from the car's door sill and disconnect its power supply. Then, place the sill light module in the cutout in the sill plate. Cover the outline of the sill light module opening with double-sided tape. Remember to thoroughly clean and degrease the surface of the sill plate before applying the double-sided tape. Then, adhere the sill light module to the sill plate. Then, screw the module to the sill plate. Remove small pieces of the protective film from the double-sided tape on the sill plate risers and fold them outward. Place the sill plate in its mounting location and press the sill plate risers against the bodywork. Tighten the protruding handles from the side skirts to the car's chassis. Then, attach the clips to the car's wheel arches and tighten them.